welcome back to another episode of Southside Fishing, everybody. My name is Nick. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Before I get things started, yes, I'm sorry. I've been gone for like 2 weeks, but now I'm back. If you hadn't noticed, there's a lot of shit going on in the world right now. I've been busy. We're going to talk about that after the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Join the Southside Fishing family. We're growing fast and it's awesome. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And without further ado, let's get right into the main video, which we caught some bass and some jerkbaits, so it's always fun. Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Clear. Straight clear. That's screaming trap though, not gonna lie. Dude, this thing. It's loud though. See if this little dual hardcore can make them bite. Let's see if it can get casted with this. All right. See how far I casted that? Do you know how light that jerkbait is?
Recording me right now. I can see myself dancing. You're getting close to that.
That'll dictate today. He's a little chunky. They might just be starting to put on the feed bag. I don't know.
Oh, it feels so good to see a bass out of water.
There it is. Lorenzo got him. Yeah. He's kind of putting on the feed bag. There we go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like crankbait?
Yeah.
Nuts.
Red crankbait.
Nuts. Oh, this shit goes all the way down there.
Yeah, I told you, dude.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think you'd get bit on a crankbait. You could get smacked on it. That's sick. There we go, first fish of the day. Skunks off the boat from Lorenzo. Again. I saw that load up too, dude.
There's a weed line. I'm not sure if it's right off your line. You're gonna hit the weeds, rip it out of it.
Open up the side plate. Make sure they're all facing.
That's way out.
Oh, something, dude. First bass of the day. Dude. Look at him, giant. Well, if I hold him close enough. On that Mega Bass 110, dude.
You're done with the skunk.
Done with the skunk off the boat. It's your turn, Justin. I was throwing around a dual hardcore 90F. Wasn't getting bit. Switched to a 110 Junior. And the first couple of casts, I get bit. Dude, I thought I had weeds on the way you hit it. It was weird. There he is. Ugh. See you later. Figure it out. There it is. There it is. There he goes. All right, I'm throwing this for the rest of the day. I might have figured out the cadence that I need to do too. Little itty bitty guy, but another one. Huh? No, it's a little chunkier, but probably the same size overall. Literally got hooked by one hook on the outside of the mouth. No. I'm popping it and it's just feeling like weeds and then they're on there. There we go. Another guy. See you later, buddy. Another one on that Vision 110. Junior. Alright, let's see if I figured him out or not. I just started working it faster. I did. There we go. Pulling, drag, and everything. Okay. Mega Bass putting in work today. See if I can get him without losing them. That's a fatty, dude. Look at that, boys. See that? He's eating, dude. She is eating. Look at that bass, dude. That's gotta be, I mean, it's hefty, huh? I'm saying 2.5 probably, close to 3. Mega Bass Vision 110. In that face piece, baby.
That's that might be 3.
Fatty, don't you do that. Dude, this thing's got like maggots in its mouth. Look at that.
Oh yeah. It's eating though.
It's eating. When I say these Mega Bass 110s get bit when nothing else does, man, I literally mean it. That is a nice bass. We're gonna put him right back in the water. Yeah, this snow might have turned him on for the jerk baits. That might have been very, very valid. Welcome back to the studio, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button again. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join the Southside Fishing family. We're growing quick. It's awesome. I love seeing all the new comments that come on my videos, and it lets me know that you guys are enjoying the video. So be smart and stay safe out there. We're in some crazy times right now, if you haven't noticed. The coronavirus, it's getting real big now. You know, they're closing places, on lockdown and stuff like that. And the main reason I haven't uploaded in such a long time is because of that. I happen to work at a Cabela's. We happen to sell guns and ammo and survival stuff. I'm sure you heard about everybody buying out all the toilet paper, all the ammo, all the guns and all that stuff. Yeah, well, the store's been swamped, so I've had long hours and I've been working a lot. So haven't had time to go and film a video for you guys. So, but yeah, I mean, I just wanted to tell you guys before I signed out here to stay safe, be smart, wash your hands. Some of y'all dirty motherfuckers, wash your hands multiple times and you should be fine. But anyway, that's all I'm going to say about that, guys. More videos should be coming very, very soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So I will catch you guys on the next episode of Southside Fishing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.